To receive the National Convention flag, His Excellency Governor Umaru Ahmadu Fitiri, Executive Governor of Adamawa State, Chairman, National Convention Organizing Committee. His Excellency should also be at the podium. And then we will vote to receive the House of Representatives flag. The leader of the PDP caucus
is waiting here. The GSM is here. And we also have our governors from across Nigeria. But then, of course, today is going to be a wonderful day in IBADAN. Our own way of saying welcome is Ekabo. So wherever you are, we say Ekabo. PDP. Distinguished delegate, I am Umar Muhammad Shah from Bauchi.
Distinguished delegate, my name is MC Nana.
All right, thank you very much. A very good afternoon to every Nigerian here. We say congratulations to the People's Democratic Party, echoing from this fountain of national segment here at the elective National Convention. Every member here present, delegate of PDP here present, we say you're all welcome. I'm one of the anchormen here this day. My name is Enenche. Thank you very much.
You remember Enenche, who is a preacher? This one is an anchor. Put your hands together for Enenche. Well, you already, I suppose, have the program of events. But what we don't have on the program of events is what we call a specialty of the PDP, which is going to be marching of flags. Marching of flags. We will have this march of flags before we commence this event. We will have the march of flags of the PDP. We will have the National Convention flag. We will have House of Representative flag, we'll have the Senate flag, and we'll have the North State flag and the Nigerian flag. And after that, we will now have the national anthem and we kickstart the event. So without much ado, we'll hand it over for more entertainment, and then we will commence when we receive directives to do so. The National Chairman of the PDP, His Excellency Ambassador Damagu, National Chairman PDP. And as we do that, we also welcome all members of the National Working Committee of the PDP. PDP! 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 Power! Power!
Once again, on behalf of our national chairman, His Excellency Ambassador Damagu, the National Working Committee, and of course, our elders of the BOT, we must specially recognize our wonderfully performing executive governors from all the PDP states across Nigeria.